Yeah, we should make a show about it. Let's go.
Hey everyone, my name's Alan.
So not only did he just scam them out of a drink and record them and treat them like shit, but he just spilled the whole fucking thing right in front of the store. Like, thanks, lady, for the great customer service and not kicking me out and calling the police. Now I'm going to reward you by spilling this in front of your store, so you have to come clean it up. Well, odds are you don't use the word Ubuntu very often. Ubuntu? What is that? Oh, it's Linux? Ubuntu? Please. Ubuntu. We do a lot of stuff about pranksters and goofsters and gaffsters and YouTube, you know, stuff. But today, we're looking at SoFlo Antonio. And a lot of you guys probably have seen his stuff, but maybe don't know who he is. That's because he spams YouTube. He posts shit. He re-uploads people's videos. He literally spams. This guy. He's probably the worst channel on YouTube. Ubuntu.
Oh, baby. So good.
Get in. Get in, dude. Patrice put out the sign for you. Get in, dude. Get in the pussy wagon. We need to say the what?
Because these days, you gotta be mobile if you want to be a top dog.
Or a tough-ass warrior.
Or super popular.
Or a CEO.
What?
Come here.
Oh, I can't believe this. How many views does this have, you look?
Millions.
2 million. 2 million views. I knew it. I knew it. I needed to do that. Damn it. You're such a player, dude. Fuck you, Chris, man. You're so awesome, dude. I want to meet him so bad. Sound, dude. The sound. Oh, God.
What does cum taste like? Like, I'm a guy, I don't fucking swallow, so I wouldn't know. So I'm not gay, I don't swallow or anything. What does cum taste like? How cum tastes like? Because I'm not gay and I wouldn't know. What does cum taste like? Because I'm a guy, I'm not gay, I'm straight, so I don't know what cum tastes like. If you could give me a really good description of what cum tastes like, what does cum taste like?
Notorious B.I.G. Juicy. This is one of my favorite songs. It's a classic. What? What is this? Maddie B?
Yeah.
Juicy?
This song is dedicated to every doubter that told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people
This
who
is
got
Biggie?
made fun of me when I was just trying to go.
No.
Who put me down and made fun of me when I was just trying to go after something that I really wanted. With the dream, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby.
You like this shit right there?
I wasn't supposed to be honest.
This is your idol?
How could they do this? No.
It's like 8.
Yeah, celebrating every day cause the fans made the same thing.
What happened? Why am I on the floor? What happened, dude? Did I fucking stroke out? What happened, Hila?
I don't know. You put on your idol.
What is this? What is this? Stop it. Stop it. Oh, god. Oh my god. Sean! Sean, bring the puke bucket, dude. This video is way too long. Can you believe he made this video? Can you believe that someone made this video and put it online? Thanks for everything you do to help animals, my sweet, sexy, vegan friends.
It's the most incredible turn on.
The most incredible turn on? Oh. Gross, dude.
Hello, pretty boy. Now this is a rush.
No, dude.
Please do come visit. Hello, pretty boy.
I thought you were just a normal
Pretty boy.
guy with a hobby, dude.
Wow.
So I would get resentful and remove myself out of the, the triangle.
The love triangle with a mare? Sounds like you guys need counseling. Marriage counseling, right?
Overall, you stand a pretty woman and a pretty mare, I'll take the mare.
I give that a shot. Nah, dude, I wouldn't try that with or without a bucket. Come on, dog. What are you trying to pull on me, dude? I'm alright.
Nothing much.
I don't know if I was weird enough, if I was making y'all comfortable. I just want to throw out a little blah, 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 blah. Okay, in case you guys didn't think low enough of me, okay? Just want to show you what I'm all about, okay? Okay, guys, and that was another perfect pickup. Yeah, let's go get him again next week. Bolters!
You know what the V&V is, right?
What?
You know what V&V is, right? Yeah, dude. So anyway, you want to fuck? So here you can see Chris going in for the kiss, while mommy holds her little toddler in the other hand. Why? It's time to stop, dude. Not with the toddler in your hand. Where did they even get that baby? Where did they get babies to be in this shit? You just get babies, Chris? This is too much. Ryan, please accept me as your disciple, dude. All I want is to soap and bang hot stripper bitches from Whole Foods.
Really? A lot of you game assassins seem...
Game assassins, what the fuck? That made me react. Almost fucking vomited, dude. Are you a game assassin, dude? You probably fucking sick.
You can actually. We're right in the middle. What's going? I thought you. What's that?
I'm just doing this.
Go ahead.
I'm just doing this. Hello. No, this is a shoe. No. Woohoo! Woohoo! No, this is a shoe. I can't hear you. I'm on a shoe right now. This isn't a real phone. What?